Hey y'all, welcome to my next adventure. I'm making a top and a launcher for my granddaughter. I'm going to go ahead and turn the launcher, try to have her as part of the project. So when I turn the top, I can get done quick, and I'm going to have her help put the color on. That's the plan, hopefully. Anyways, I'm going to use this here. That's about 1.25 inch square piece of walnut. And I cut a 3/8 inch hole in here for the top piece to stick through, and then I put a 3/4 inch hole to thread it. I'm going to turn this on the lathe and have this part done. So once the top's done, I can have the launcher all ready to go. And I don't think she'll last long enough for me to do both parts of the project. I don't know, maybe, but anyhow, this is my plan. I'm going to have this part done. I'm going to chuck this up in the lathe and see what I can make happen here. So I'll get you over here close to that and chuck this up. I've already marked the centers on both pieces, and tap that in. And we'll get that tightened down, and I'm going to try to do most of it with the skew chisel. I've been practicing with the skew chisel, and we'll see how that goes. Still deeper. I think that's it. I'll nip the ends off there and take a knife to them and alright.
It's clean in here now.
Yeah. Gonna do a project. Okay?
Okay.
Let's see. Got a piece of wood right here. We're gonna make this wood. You seen that top I showed you in there?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna make one that you can turn, okay? One that you can run.
Mm-hmm.
I got a plan, okay? So we're gonna put it in here. We're gonna turn this. You ever seen this thing?
No.
It spins the wood. And then we can,
That's how you make the balance beam?
yeah, that's how you make it.
Is it going to be loud in here?
What?
Is it going to be loud in here?
No, it's not very loud.
You do the things?
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna plug
What
that
is
in.
this
The
thing?
battery's dead. What?
What is this thing up there?
That's my TV.
Oh.
TV. And so I gotta put some safety stuff on because I don't want a piece of wood hitting me. So you'll have to stand about right. You can stand on that here and hold on to that.
Okay.
And then you can watch. And then when we get to the one part, then I can have you color it.
Okay.
Sound like fun?
Are we going to have another one at our house?
Another what?
Now a balancing?
What?
Another balancing? The balance beam.
Oh, no, we're not making a bounce beam.
Well, we're
making a
making-
top.
So what?
So you know that thing that's spinning it inside there that I showed you? We're going to make a big one and then you're going to be able to use a spinner and then I'm going to let you color it.
Oh.
So now you'll be able to see.
You can make two for Cassidy and me, cause Cassidy, so I can color it. And Cassidy likes orange and I like blue.
You like blue, huh? Well, we'll see what we can do. Right now, I think I'm just going to make one because I've got some in the house. And I'm going to make one for you that'll be yours.
And then one's for Cassidy.
Yeah, then I got some in the house, so yeah. Anyhow, let me see here.
Grandpa, what is that thing up there? The light thing.
This thing?
Yes.
It's a smoke alarm
Oh.
and a fire alarm.
Is there any fire going on here? Or
No, there's not going to be no fire here. It's just like in the house. You have one to make sure you don't have a fire.
we didn't have a fire before.
You did?
No.
You didn't?
No.
Okay, that's good. So, we don't just have a fire.
In the
So-
before?
What?
Didn't have a fire before?
No, I've never had a fire.
Oh.
But that's in case you do have a fire.
Cause like kind of threads, like something.
What?
Like there might be a fire kind of threads.
Yeah. Yeah, just in case. Okay, this one starts spinning. It's not very loud. Not very loud.
Yeah.
I don't want to slow it down. It's running really fast. We're going to make it slower.
Grandpa,
What?
you put your fingers there, it hurts you.
If you put them in the wrong spot, it could. You don't want to put them in the wrong spot, so yeah, you don't.
What we're having for dinner tonight?
I'm not sure. Okay. This is so a piece of wood don't hit me in the face.
Or me?
What? It should be fine. It's going to all be right here.
Okay.
Okay? What?
It's just going to be by you
Yeah.
now.
All the chips will be over here. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, a bit.
Or you just blow it?
What?
Or you just blow it away?
Now, it sucks it down this pipe here, and then I pick the stuff off the ground.
And put it in there?
It goes inside a box outside.
Oh, what box?
It's on the side end of the building.
Oh, I saw it.
Yeah, that little building that's kind of hooked to the end of the building. All of it goes out in the bag in there. So.
You actually got to put a bag in there?
What?
You actually got to put a bag in there?
Yeah, there's a bag in there.
Oh.
Yeah. Just a little bit more. Getting closer. See it? You come closer, look.
Yeah. It's like a crayon. Is it going to be a crayon?
It's going to be pointed like that. And then I'm going to have to make a part right here because it's going to go in. It's going to go inside this piece. And then we'll put a string in there, and then you pull the string, and you can make it go. So I got to put some pencil marks on there. You know how big to make that area. So probably something like that.
Are you writing a name on it?
No. No, I'm not putting a name on it. I'm just making marks so I know where to carve it down smaller. So now we'll make that part smaller.
I want to go in the house. When you're done, you can bring it in.
No, stay out here so you can color it. Okay. Won't be very long. It works fast so you can color it. Because it's on color, let's spin it. Because we want it real smooth when you draw on it. Okay. So
what's next?
now I'm going to put some little lines in it for some texture,
And then you're going to do this thing again?
and then we're going to let you put some color on it.
Where's some crayons? Do you get some crayons in here or markers?
I got some markers we'll use.
Well, I like markers. I use markers.
You use markers? Okay.
Colors.
Okay, now I'll put some little lines in it. Just because. I don't know why that happened. So this is putting little lines in it. Come see them?
Can I draw it now?
See the little lines it just put?
Yes. Can I draw it now?
Yeah, let me smooth this one spot out yet. And then we'll let you put some more on draw on it. For some reason that area wasn't very smooth. It is now. I'm going to tighten it up just a little more. And we're going to make it go slower yet. Okay.
Do you have a blue marker?
We got a blue marker. We got a gold marker.
I think I'll do gold.
You want gold?
Yeah,
How about gold and blue?
gold and blue.
Or silver and blue. Silver looks good with blue. You like silver? Okay, bring your chair over here.
I want gold.
What?
I changed my mind. I want gold. Can you
Okay.
take it off?
Now come on, I'll show you how to do this first. Jump up there. Okay, when it's spinning, you just touch it just a little bit and then pull it away. And then touch it just a little bit and pull it away. And then it'll put a mark all the way around it, okay? Which color you want to use with first?
Blue.
Okay, now listen. Go real gentle. And just put the marker, let it sit on here. And let me put this a little closer. So you can rest the marker. Look.
You can help
So
me.
rest the marker like this and then just go in. So you rest the marker and then just go in and touch it. Yep.
See?
Yep. Yeah. Just put a couple touches every once in a while.
I want to do the gold now.
Maybe put a line right across there. Gold doesn't work very well. Want to try black?
I want to try red.
I'll try red. Stay right there. I'll get it.
Red looks good with blue.
This one's got a big edge. You might be able to do that flat part right there with that red.
There.
And then this area right here, this part's going to be cut again.
I'll do blue next.
You want to do it blue?
Next one. Red. Is there purple in there?
What?
Is there purple in there?
No. Try not to mix the colors together though, because it won't look pretty. It'll look kind of brownish when you mix them.
You can help me.
Let's be right there.
Is it right there?
Very nice. Let's see what it looks like.
Wow.
You like? Okay.
Look on the bottom over there.
Yeah, that's cool, huh?
It's stripy.
Yeah.
I want to pick a different color now after the other one.
You want a what?
I want a different color now.
I don't really have any others besides silver.
I'm going to use silver and brown.
This is gold. It
Gold.
don't work very good.
Did I just did that one?
Yeah, you tried that one. It didn't work very good. Let's try the silver one. Let's put a silver mark on and then I'll put some finish on it. And
Oh,
and I'll help you up. Very nice. Alright, I'm going to put some clear finish on and then I'll finish it up, okay?
okay.
Put some clear finish on so it'll last a long time.
Grandpa, I can go and see Cassidy the way.
Yeah.
Okay. and then I'll be back.
Okay. Alright, we'll have to make sure it's long enough for the launcher.
Hey Grandpa, I tried, I need Grandma's not there. I can't open it either.
Alexa, stop. I'll go get it. I think I about got it small enough. Double check here. Just a bit snug, but I'll do a little sanding maybe. Maybe. I think that'll do. Put a little more clear finish on there. And all right. Ooh, and I thought it was longer than that. Could have made that a little bit shorter. I mean, a little bit longer. It'll work. Okay, now just put a drill a hole in there, and it'll be ready to spin. What's that?
Finally got that.
Oh boy. Well, look there.
You made me one?
Yep. We got to do one more thing now. So use the string to spin it. So I got to put a hole in it yet. So I got to get a little drill bit and cut a hole in it.